Oh, I don't have my other. When your job is thing, I need a panel, but I don't have a panel. So that is what's important. If you have the right tools, you have more efficient and less mess. And so just like in our business, we also use a panel. But I'm gonna try to be as good as I can, not to mess up this one. So if you don't have the right tool, this is what's happened. You kind of mess up something or waste something up. So it is important that you have the right tool. And that principles is also real and true in our business. And whatever you do, if you just love the DIY, just like what I do, I love doing a lot of DIY. It is important that you have the correct tools, because that will help you to be effective and more efficient. And the most things, it will also help you to have time. And same thing in our business here. We are actually we have multiple sources of income on top of what we already work. I